didn't know care home was this expensive. You have to sell your house so they can pay for your care. Are you telling me you've been working so hard all your life to buy this house just for them to take it and sell it so they can look after you? No, this is crazy, man. After you work so hard your life, no one out there have to force you to sell your own house. If you have the money, please stay at home. Bring the carer home to look after you. It's so expensive for no reason. I know like it takes a lot of money to run a care home, but £1,000 a week, no a month. This is crazy. You paying £1,000 a week just for some of the carer to slap you in the face. Some of the carer are just so rude. It's like they don't have the parent themselves. I'm not blaming all the care, but some of them are crazy, man. Because we have seen it. People going to prison because of this. People losing their life because of this nonsense.